The blow molds that were outside.
The what?
The Christmas yard decorations. I didn't. How much are they, and how do you get to them?
There are a few outside. There's some big blow-ups, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Are out here.
Please don't take both of them.
We just line up with the names.
I was just going to stay right here and the.
Grafton had that autographed T-shirt by Dale Earnhardt.
Oh wow.
You don't see anything. Of course, he's been dead for 27 years.
You don't see autographs much.
Enjoy.
Yeah. The blow molds that were outside.
The what?
The Christmas yard decorations. I didn't. How much are they, and how do you get to them?
There are a few outside. There's some big blow-ups, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Are out here.
Please don't take both of them.
Which one?
The drummer boy. I just want one drummer boy.
Oh, okay.
Here are the big blow-ups.
The other ones, yeah. I think they're
You need to go around the end of the house.
Oh, you can't go out this way?
around the outside.
Yes, we've got it blocked.
Oh.
Okay.
There's some stuff on the garage.
Gotcha. Yep, they're still here.
Yeah, I want one of the drummer boys.
Okay.
Do you have a price?
Yeah, do you know what price was on them?
No. There's no prices?
I think they're $5 each.
Oh,
Okay.
well, I want one of the drummer boys. And can I have, do you want that small snowman? That one
No,
up there?
go ahead. Go ahead.
I don't want the other ones. Well, maybe one of the
I was like, I like the skeletons.
I know. It's like, if you don't take both, I'll want one.
All right.
Is that yours?
Yeah, I'm just gonna make a
I'm
pile.
going to take these two.
Okay.
You were looking
Are
at
you taking a skeleton too?
Why don't you grab a skeleton?
Oh,
Up, because there's a third one. It looks broken, but yeah, go ahead. No problem.
I'm so glad. Did you want one of the drummer boys?
Yeah, I might grab one of those. I've had this little guy before too.
Yeah. Yeah, I have that one.
I have this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then this one was broken. I was just gonna take the parts.
Parts. It's easy to. So I'm still going to do $5 for each.
Okay.
You got another bone.
Yeah, I guess I can. I mean, I still want to look around.
Yeah. Then you can just hang on to those and shop. That's no worries.
Okay.
Let's see the other holiday stuff.
for 125.
I know, it's massive. I like love this thing too, but this thing is huge. I wouldn't know.
It is, yeah.
Hi. Yeah. Let's see the price on this either.
Boom, 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 boom. Let's go.
Sorry, I'm having difficulty hearing you. I wanted to let you know that I looked at the dates and I believe
Oh, excuse me. Finding anything good? So you finding anything good? Oh, Pee-wee.
Shift quota is the only one I really know because those are the ones my mom collected.
Oh, Gizmo. You having fun yet?
Oh, yeah, you?
Oh, yeah. Crazy through these hats.
may, sure, yep.
All right, I think I'm ready. I got
Okay, I'll come over to you.
the 7 blow molds out there.
Okay,
She did for 35.
okay.
So that for 50. Wasn't a price on this.
10. I can do 8.
8. Well,
Is that
I
better?
need a price on this too.
Okay.
Few things.
Sony.
Camcorder.
Yeah, I could do that for 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then this was under the porch.
Okay. Hi.
An old football.
$1.
$1. Okay. And then we'll do this for 8. That'll work. That'll work.
106.56.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Yeah, 110 bucks is not bad for all of this incredible stuff. All right, now to go pick them all up, and I hope they're all still there. You need help there, sir? I'll throw them in there for you.
Thank you.
No problem.
About that deal, and I would.
Right. It'll wear you out.
Thank you very much.
No problem, sir. All right, so back home, and we're gonna quickly go over the stuff I got at this estate sale, got some of the stuff I was going after, picked up some extra cool stuff, and even mistakenly bought some stuff because I was so excited. But I'll quickly cover some of the finds with you. Stopped at one more place afterwards to get a few more things, so let's check it out. Yeah, the big thing I was going for were those, and I'll cover those in a second. But yes, I saw this, paid up a little bit for it. We should still make a little bit of money, but I was willing to pay this price because of the deal we got on everything else. So $50. I saw one recently, actually just this last week, that went pre-owned, I think for like $170, $180, free shipping. So we'll still do pretty good on that. This, when I was getting the blow molds, I saw this and I got excited because I saw that poof, logo. This isn't worth anything, people. I'm going to give this to the boys, but I'll throw a comp up here for the Nerf logo. So there's an old kind of vintage 80s and 90s Nerf logo. You can find the same ball as a Nerf, and you're going to get like 30 to 70, 80, if you found a new one, they're like $200. So bad part on, my part, but it's okay. They'll have fun playing with that. I saw this. I was super excited when she gave me the price. Sony Handycam. If it'll focus there, if not, CCD TRV308. This one with the bag has a extra battery. The strap is a huge bonus. Has the charger, has all that. Should bring it $100 plus shipping, so not too bad there. The other sale, picked all these up. Really great people. I put them in a video before, but Legacy Estate Sale Company. This was their second weekend doing stuff, so I just really wanted to say hey to them. But this will go for about $18 free shipping. These big guy comics. I have the number 1 and number 2. Not a lot of money, probably another 20 bucks, but I got all of these things for $10. They're always doing good deals. I got this from my buddy. He's a big Moon Knight fan, so If I was selling it, once again, maybe $20, but that'll just be kind of a gift for him. But now let's talk about this plastic gold here. So we have the giant size of this snowman. So I don't know if we'll do anything with it. You know, because I was telling the lady I do like to decorate, yeah, but you know, the cool part is I have a friend that's actually looking for these, so could do a private buy. I'll show you the eBay comps, but this one looks like it's going for 25 plus shipping, you know, and remind you, all these $5 a piece, so not bad. These guys as a set, a lot of them are selling as a set for about 40 plus shipping, because I think they're still making these models at Lowe's, I believe, but the drummer boy goes for about 50 to 60 plus shipping, and then big old tallest, I think 39 inches, I think he's going well over 100, maybe up to $130. The one that I cannot find any comps on is this skeleton. I got two of them. This is the fully complete one, but it is a blow mold. All the joints come apart. I will be selling this one. We got the other one that was in parts, and we're going to use that one to decorate here. If I pick anything else to decorate, I might pick those two. You know, I was showing the boys earlier, and they were all over, you know, these are our favorites. So we'll see about those, but I don't know what to price this guy at. Should be pretty good money, but overall for the total haul was a really, really great day. This is what I was going for, and to find some extra things that'll make some good money was a fun little day. So there were all our good little finds, and just wanted to share, you know, the fun experiences we get to have going out there and finding stuff to flip, and we always have fun. I love meeting new people. Just special shout out if you saw the little part I put in there. Helen and Gary, two great people. Found out he sells at flea markets. He's going to be a good NASCAR, you know, connection as we go a little further. But they were super great. We've met them at a few estate sales. Sweet little couple. I just love meeting people like that and seeing what they're doing. They're retired and they still go out to estate sales together. And, you know, so I hope that's something that me and my wife will do, you know, down through the years, just be able to do that kind of stuff together. But we just want to say thanks for tuning into the video. Be sure to give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already. We're always bringing you the fun content here at this channel. So once again, have a great one. Make the world a better place with a sale and a smile. We'll talk to you again real soon.